How are you? What's your name? How old are you? I am 23. Where are you from? Where were you born? Where do you live now? Are you single? Are you married? Do you like children? I love children. What do you do? I am a figure skater. Do you have any siblings? Only one. What's your hobby? I just do figure skating. Are you happy? Yes. What's your favorite color? What did you eat for breakfast today? I had no breakfast. What's your blood type? Type A. What's the last book you've read? Me Before You by Jojo Moyes. What's the last movie you've seen? Spider Man. What time do you usually get up? I get up at 7 a.m. Do you exercise? Yes. What time do you usually go to bed? 2 a.m. How often do you drink alcohol? Almost every day. What's your favorite food? Pizza. What's your favorite drink? Soda. What was your major in university? Fine arts. How many languages do you speak? I speak 3. How's the weather today? It's very hot. Can you cook? Yes. What are you going to do today? I'm going to go home and sleep. What are you doing now? I'm talking to you. Where would you like to travel next? Home. What did you do last night? I watched the movie Spider Man. What are you going to do tomorrow? I'm going to go figure skating. What sport can you play? I can figure skate, play volleyball, and taekwondo. Can you do me a favor? Yes. Could you lend me $100? I don't have $100. How are you feeling? Pretty good. Are you tired? A little. Are you hungry? No. Do you like me? Sure. Do you love me? No. Have you ever gone bungee jumping? No, and I don't want to try it. Could we have lunch together one day? Well, maybe. Have you ever been to France? Yes, I have. How long does it take for you to get to work? About 20 to 30 minutes. How do you get to work? By subway. How often do you ride the bus? Pretty often. Are you sick? No. Are you on any sort of medication? Sure, why not? Do you prefer ice cream or cake? Both. Do you have a credit card? Yes. Do you prefer traveling by car, train, or plane? I prefer train. Do you prefer traveling alone or joining a guided tour? I like being alone. Can you play tennis? Yes, I can. Are you rich? No. Do you like to use social media? Sometimes. Do you agree that money is the root of all evil? Oh, yes, I do. Are you an optimist or a pessimist? Optimist. Are you afraid of needles? No. Is it okay for men to cry? No. Are you a romantic person? No. What gets you really angry? Alcoholics. Who's your favorite celebrity? Amelia Clark. Are you a pet lover? Yes. Do you prefer cats or dogs? Dogs. What's your favorite song? I don't have a favorite song. I like all songs. Do you have any phobias? No, not really. Are men better than women? No. What are your strengths? I'm a figure skater. It's my superpower. Who do you admire the most? My mom. Are you a vegan? No. Do you sing well? Yes. Can you dance? Sure. How many pillows do you sleep with? 1. What's your favorite holiday? Christmas. Are you a clean or messy person? Fairly clean. Do you collect anything? Yes, I collect boxes. Are you an introvert or an extrovert? I'm an introvert. What was your first job? I was a retailer. Are you a morning person or a night owl? I'm both. If you could live anywhere, where would it be? Here, I like it here. What is your proudest accomplishment? Figure skating. What makes a happy marriage? The man listening to the woman. Do you get bored easily? Yes. What subjects were you good at in high school? History. Do you have a master's degree? Yes, I do. In which field? Fine arts. Are you a genius? Of course I am. Do you have a good memory or a bad memory? I have good and bad memories. Have you ever been on a blind date? No, thank God. How many hours of sleep do you generally need per night? About 3. Are you addicted to anything? No. How often do you eat fast food? Almost every day. How often do you brush your teeth? 2 times a day. Do you snore? No. Are you friendly? Yes, I think so. What's your favorite fruit? Watermelon. Do you like pizza? Yeah, of course. I love pizza. What's the best way to study English? Study hard. Do you like being asked questions? Not always.